Australia's federal government has just announced their this year's budget, and with an expected $2 billion ICT and digital spend in the next financial year alone, the stage is set for a large list of government technology projects in budget, plus which entails to new jobs. So if you're looking to get a cloud related job in Australia's federal government, whether it's in Sydney, Canberra, Melbourne, or any other big city, or even in the smaller areas, or a hybrid role, then I would suggest that you look at the list of these funded projects, which are department wise, and then you can keep track of the job openings which will be there very soon. I would highly suggest that you go to the respective department's website and then make a CV, make a profile, and also set up an alert so that as soon as the job opening becomes available, you'd be one of the first few people to apply. Now, I have already obtained this list of funded projects department wise, and I have posted it on my blog, which you can refer for further details. Let me go through it quickly for a few of them, and I will post the link to this blog post in the video's description. As you can see, both NDIA and My Health Record are the biggest spenders because their budget allocation is huge, and so is Digital Health Agency. And I have been seeing that even in the previous year, there were a lot of jobs, especially in My Health Record. So if you're still looking for a job, then this might be your first choice. Then we have various departments like Department of Veteran Affairs is going to replace and enhance their ICT system, and I think they might be moving to the cloud. So this could be a good bet. Then this ABS is also will also be looking for more cloud engineers as they are going to replace their legacy systems. Also, MyGov platform is looking to uplift, and we have e-safety commissioner who are looking to uplift. Department of Education is going to transform their schools and higher education providers, and they are looking to build a streamlined information and communication technology platform, and so is the DFATS. So again, if you are looking to get a cloud related job in Australia and federal government, this might be a good place to start. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.